In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit product and price details in Shopify, whether you're updating a single item or managing your inventory in bulk. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that your online store stays accurate and up to date. To get started, you'll need to access the product you wish to edit. Begin by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, locate the Products section on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the products available in your store. Browse through your inventory and select the specific product you want to adjust. Clicking on the product will open up its details page. On this page, you can modify various aspects of the product. Let's start with the basics. The title of the product can be changed by simply clicking on the title field and typing in the new name. Next, the description. It's crucial to keep this information current and informative since it helps customers make purchasing decisions. Click into the description box to add new text or update existing details. Images also play a major role in attracting customers. Here, you have the flexibility to add new images, remove outdated ones, or rearrange them to best showcase your product. Remember, clear, high-quality pictures are key to maintaining a professional-looking store. Now, onto pricing. Adjusting the price is straightforward. Enter the new price in the designated field, and if you're running a promotion, consider adding a Compare At price to highlight discounts or sales. If your product offers variants like different sizes or colors, select the specific variant you wish to modify. You can update the variant's price, SKU, barcode, and other relevant details from this section. This option is particularly handy for stores with diverse product lines needing individual price points or identifiers. Beyond these basic edits, you can also refine other product details such as product type, vendor, and tags. These fields help organize your inventory, making it easier for both you and your customers to find what they're looking for. Once all desired changes have been made, it's crucial to click Save. This step finalizes your edits, ensuring that all new information is correctly updated on your store. For those managing multiple products, Shopify provides a nifty bulk editor tool. This tool allows you to select several products at once and make changes in a table format, saving you time and effort. A few key considerations to keep in mind. Always check the product status. Products in draft status must be completed before they are available for sale. If you track inventory, it's important to manage inventory levels regularly. And lastly, take note of the sales channels where your product is available, ensuring optimal visibility. By following these guidelines, you're well on your way to mastering product management in your Shopify store. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate the platform, and don't hesitate to experiment with your editing strategy to see what works best for your business.